Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. The audio is a little bit loud. I'm turning it down. But good morning. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good weekend, and welcome to this new video here on Bitcoin. We're going to do a full update on the current situation. Relatively bullish start. Yesterday in general was quite bullish as well. We've rallied into right now 68,350, or at least around that level, excuse me. But I, just to cut to the chase, and we'll do a full analysis and we'll talk about why I think this, but at the moment I don't really like this. And the main reason for that is that, and we've talked about this earlier, the main structure we see on the 4-hour time frame right now for Bitcoin is a range, right? And if we would identify the top of the range, it would be this area right here, right? This area is the top of the range we have right now. So the current situation is that we are at the top of the range, with a move that's built on a lot of leverage, as you can see right here, which I never like. Give me a move with real spot buying going on, right? And then at the same point of time, the volume at this point of time is still very, very low. It's $21.5 billion. Now it's up 40% since yesterday, but that's normal. So the thing is, and then at the same point of time, the Bitcoin dominance is also still very, very high and still very bullish. So what that means practically is that we need to either see a Bitcoin dominance that's dropping down for the entire market to do well, so that altcoins also have a chance to rally, even though some altcoins are performing, so it's not the end of the world, of course. So we need to see either the Bitcoin dominance drop down, or we need to see a breakout above the top of the range here. And given the circumstances, like I said, the high leverage, the elections coming up, we have a ton of news this week, by the way, a ton of employment data, etc. from the US. I would say it's most likely that we are not going to break the top of the range here. Now, is it a possibility? Yes. Am I positioned for it? Yes. I have enough long positions and spot positions open for this to be good for me. But honestly, at this point of time, I think it's more likely that yes, we'll get up here, but that from here we will reject back down. And like I said, if the Bitcoin dominance either stays at this current level or it starts increasing, then that's going to be very, very, very bad news for altcoins. So that's something I do think you need to take into account and hold into consideration. So for now, short term, I have to be bullish here on Bitcoin. So I do think we're going higher than this, but ultimately I don't think we're going to break out. All right, I don't think we're going to break this level. I think we would need much more volume for that, because breaking out of this level basically means that we're going for 70, 71, 72, which is quite a big move, and you'd need at least like $30 billion of volume for that. Now, something that could push it to those levels is the fundamentals. The fundamentals right now are pretty decent. I mean, the dollar strength index is still bullish, so that's bearish. But if you look at the stock market, etc., that's going to open in some time. The pre-market is trading a little bit higher, so that's relatively bullish. If that continues into the US session today, then that's good news, all right? And then some sort of a breakout becomes more likely, but I'll keep you updated on that. For now, like I said, I think it's likely we'll push a little bit higher. I don't think we'll break out. And then if the fundamentals are really good, if we can get some sort of a Coinbase premium, for example, then we can do something like this. Otherwise, I would expect something like this. But I'll make another update later this afternoon, middle of the day market update, talking about that. And if you want to know more about altcoins, then keep an eye on the Bitcoin dominance. All right. In short, we just need to see this start to dump. But I'll keep you updated on that in the middle of the day market update as well. For now, like I said, I think this is still more likely. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I'll be back. Like I said, for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.